Anything that I prepare at home, I start from scratch. So today I'm making this peanut, which I'll be using for my peanut butter soup. And I decided to share with you. We are making it in 3 ways. Trust me, you will love it. It is always better to make things at home than to get it outside or buy it because you know what it contains. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's get started. I have with me here my peanut or granite, and this is how it looks. Okay, yes. Now with the first method, we are just going to put this on a tray, and I will share with you what we are going to do with it. You can see that the peanut is very clear. Okay, they look very clean, and we don't need to do anything about that. So I'll just go ahead and then continue with the process. I have my baking tray here. I'm just going to pour some on it, and I will tell you what we are going to do with it. If today is the first time here, this is Lena. Welcome back to my kitchen, or welcome. We share easy recipes here, which I know very well that you will love them. So because of that, please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. Thank you so much for doing it for me. I am so grateful. So I'm going to repeat it. Okay, I have a lot of those baking tray, and actually it is only 2 that can enter the oven. So we are just going to put this in the oven and then allow it to roast perfectly. And trust me, it is very quick and then the easiest way to roast your peanut. So at this moment, it is in my oven, and we are just going to roast this. So roasting it or baking it at 350 Fahrenheit, and as soon as it is ready, you will just pour it in a tray. So that is what you are seeing, whether tray or basin, that is what you are seeing there. I just want it to cool down so that we can proceed. You can actually enjoy it this way, but whatever thing you are going to use your peanut or granite for determines how you are going to treat it. Okay, so in this case we are going to peel it because of what we are going to use it for. And I told you earlier that we are making this in 3 ways, which each were made in different way. Okay, so please just stay with me, do not go anywhere. Please, we are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Follow us for more videos, and trust me, you will love it. My returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always spending some time with me. So on this very day, it was a division of labor. Everyone must be involved. Okay, so when I was peeling it, when I got to this point, I was like, oh my goodness, I am so tired, and I had to hand it over to my 5-year-old daughter. Okay, I mean, she can step, but and when she's focused she can really help. Okay, so I gave it to her to continue with her tiny hands, but she did amazing job. So the peeling continues, so we are able to get it perfect way. As I told you earlier that it was a division of labor, grandma also continued from this place. Of course, everyone must be involved. So after the little girl finished everything, we gave it to grandma to remove the peel from it. Okay, I mean the chaff. You should just remove it from it. I removed some from it earlier. Okay, it was like you would throw it and then the air will blow the chaff out. As for we, those who are Ghanaians, we understand it. Okay, into me who we no nam de my grandma and our otwa. So this is the result, and you can see it is absolutely beautiful. Now the next method is that we are just going to get our peanut ready or granite ready. Okay, mostly the way we make it, we used to make it in the olden days. It's similar to this process, okay? But with that, they cook it on fire, okay? They cook it for some few minutes, but we are not going to cook it. We added some hot water and then salt to it. Let it stay for about just a minute or two, and then after that, give it a stir. Ensure that it has some taste by getting some of the salt in there, okay? Then after that, we are just going to strain it, and then after straining it, this is how it looks. So I am just going to pour my peanut or granite on my my baking tray, or in my tray, anyhow you say it, but I guess you understand me, just like you're seeing on the screen. And forgive me about the video quality in case it does not look clear just like the first one, because this I did it like 3-4 years ago, okay? Now we are going to put this in the sun so that it can dry very well. You can as well put it everywhere that it can dry, okay? I actually did not put it in the sun. It was in the room, but it dried very well. You are seeing it in the sun because I wasn't getting the quality well, so I decided to send it outside. After that, put it in your air fryer and then fry it. You are good to go. It was the same heat I used, 350 Fahrenheit, and just look at that, absolutely good. Get your soakings and then enjoy this. Oh my goodness, it is so good. Pair this with your banana and it is so delicious. With the first one, you can use it for your soup, you can use it for anything that you want, okay? But trust me, I love this, and it depends on what I'm going to use my peanut for. So with these two way of frying peanut, okay, you can decide to go through the same process, but you just fry it on fire. I hope you get me. You just fry it on fire. So the one I told you earlier that in the olden days we used to cook it on fire, but I decided to add the hot water to it, okay? That one, and then the first one that we place in the oven, you can just go straight and then fry it on fire instead, okay? When frying it, you can just fry it just like this and you are good to go. You can as well add some gari to it, or cassava flakes to it, or sand, okay, clean sand to it, and then fry it. Trust me, with that is also very perfect. So with all, I hope you learned something and I hope you like the result. It looks absolutely clean and perfect work done. Thank you so much for your time. I am so grateful. Please do what, share the video to others, leave me your comment in the comment section, and you can't afford to miss the next upload because you will fall in love with it. I will see you in the next upload. Bye bye.